Hi all. Now we are going to discuss present perfect tense. To make a sentence in present perfect tense, first we have to write the subject, then has or have, then third form of the verb or past participle form of the verb. We use present perfect tense in different situations to describe unfinished time. For example, I have worked as a teacher since 2011. Here, the time is not yet finished. We use present perfect tense to refer to indefinite time. For example, I have seen the Eiffel Tower. And at last, we use the same tense to express experience or result. She has already watched this movie 3 times. The effect is still there. To make a sentence in present perfect tense, first we have to place the subject, then has or have according to the subject, then third form of the verb. For example, I have tried sushi. Then to make a statement, that too a negative statement in present perfect tense, we have to place not just after have or has. So it will be subject plus have not or has not plus third form of the verb. To make question, first we have to place have or has, then the subject, then the third form of the verb. We use since with the present perfect tense to refer to the starting point of an action. For example, I have studied at the school since 2000. Now the time period is 2005 and the starting time is 2000. So 2000 is a point of time, not a period of time. So to refer to the starting point of an action, we are using since with the present perfect tense. Next, we can make questions with present perfect tense. Here there are 2 types of questions. Questions with question words and questions without question words. First, we can look at questions with question words. Here, first we have to place the question word, then the auxiliary, then the subject, then the verb, then the rest of the question. For example, I am taking the example, how long have they lived in Ottawa? Here the question word is how long. Then the auxiliary is have because the subject is plural. So we have to use have. So I am using have, then the subject they, then the verb lived. Then the rest of the question in Ottawa. Next is questions without question words. For this, first we have to place the auxiliary, then the subject, then the verb, then rest of the question. For example, have you done the shopping? Here, I am using the auxiliary have because the subject is you. So, since we are using the subject you, we have to use have. Then, the third form of the verb, done. Then the rest of the question, the shopping. So, the question became, have you done the shopping? There are some signal words. You can see the signal words in the given balloons. We use these signal words in present perfect tense. There are some links given in the slide. You can search the link and do the activity. Take a screenshot and post it in our Google Classroom.